Hey everyone, in this short guide, I will walk you through how to use Canva in 2025. Perfect for beginners. Canva is an amazing design tool for creating professional graphics, social media posts, presentations, and more. No design experience needed. Here's what we will cover. First of all, log in with your own account. Click the three bars at the top left, and you're gonna see your menu. Make sure that you log in with your own account. Okay, so go ahead. If you don't have an account, you're gonna be able to see a pop-up window that asks you, the user, to connect or log in with an account. You can use Google, email, manually, Apple, or Facebook for that matter. So I'm using Google for that step. Okay, and of course you're gonna see the settings and everything. You can also create a team if you want to share your designs live. Okay, so now let's browse through our Canva. You can search for templates, right? Let's say Instagram posts, right? I'm gonna be able right here to find a template for that, so you can download it, right? Or you can search for business card, right? And you're gonna be able to find it. And you can customize the text, fonts, color. Let's say, for example, I want to customize this design. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the design simply, right? Any design that's free for me. And I'm gonna be able to just edit the text or change the name, okay? Right here, Amar Adam, okay? You can also see the elements right here if you want to add elements like moving arrows, whatever that might be, shapes and colors. You can just do that on your own time. And you can also see the design right here at the bottom left, and they will recommend a similar templates for business cards, right? And you can also use, as we said, the elements to drag and drop. Just click on it, right? If you're using a phone, just click on it and the design will be there, right? You can also go and click the text, and if you want to change the color, you can just go ahead and click the text, and you're gonna see right here the tools. Go ahead and change the color to be red, or if you want to change the font size, you can make it big, or you can minimize it by making it like this, right? And you're gonna see the font styles and the transparency. Animate, if you want to animate it as a video, you can do that on your own time too. Okay, you can also see right here, if we click that design, you can see animate. You can see if you click more right here, you're gonna be able to see more tools, right? You can also add color for that background if you want to change that background, right, to be black, whatever that might be for you. Okay, close. You can use also, if you added your own picture. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna click upload right here. Let's say I added my own picture right here. I can use the BG remover, but that will require me to upgrade my Canva. In your case, you can try it for 30 days if you want to use the free trial mode, right? And you can also see the Magic Studio. They have AI leveraged designs, right? So you can add it and enhance your project, right? You can also use text if you want to add more text. If you thought about something else while you design something, do not worry. You don't have to get out of your design. Just go ahead and click design. Let's say, for example, I want YouTube thumbnail. So I'm gonna just search for YouTube thumbnail. YouTube, no, not like this. YouTube thumbnail. And I'm gonna be able to find YouTube thumbnail and add it above my design, right? You can add it as a new page or replace their current page. So you can do that on your own time if you want to do more than one project. Okay, so after you finish doing your design and everything, what you're gonna do, hit save at the top right. Okay, and you're gonna be able to share a link if you want people to see your design from within Canva. But if you want to download it and share the photo in high quality, you can just go ahead and hit download right here and save it as a PNG for reserving that quality, right? And you can just hit download and then basically wait it out for a few moments, and you're gonna be able to see your design in your photo album. Okay, Canva makes it simple to turn your creative ideas into reality, whether, excuse me for that, whether you're using Canva, whether you're creating for fun or work, this tool has you covered. Start with the free version, then upgrade if needed. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.